Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the batch processing function in
ArcGIS.
When processing geographic data, sometimes we need to perform the same task multiple times. For example, I have land use data for several years for a particular area. I also have the boundary data for this area. I want to use this boundary data to extract information from the land use data. In this case, I need to run the batch processing command multiple times. Of course, the simplest method is to run the command manually. Here, you input the land use layer you want to analyze and the boundary data. Then, you need to select this option. This will collect data based on the boundary. If you don't select this option, it will collect data based on the boundary of the land use layer. The results will be different. The downside of using this method is that you have to run the command again after completing each task. To collect data for another layer, you must repeat the process. Now, I'll show you how to batch process multiple tasks. Just right-click on the tool. Click on Batch Processing. This is where you input the boundary data. You can double-click on it and select the 2015 layer. Click OK to confirm. In the batch processing parameters, select the boundary layer. There is another option here. In batch processing, the boundary is defined by the data used in the layer. That is, the boundary of the land use. Make sure to select this option here. Of course, we will need to perform multiple batch processes. Click Add a row. Then, input the second land use layer. This data is the same as the previous one. You can use the copy function. You can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste. Make sure to select the data collection method based on the boundary shape. Next, select the following layer, for example, the 2017 data. Now, add the 2018 and 2019 data layers. Add the same data for 2018 and 2019. Now it's ready. before running the task. Make sure to check that all your parameters are filled correctly. This includes the input layers. Click OK to confirm. Then, the processing will begin. After the process is complete, the data will be randomly stored in the specified location. You can then drag the data into the data storage folder. You can also drag other data into the same storage folder. You can also set the output path and output format. You can perform multiple tasks in this way. This example is just a test. You can also perform projections and other tasks in bulk. This is how to use
ArcGIS
batch processing tool. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.